Hola! 皆さん、いらっしゃいませ。今は3番セグメントが日本語を勉強します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。よし。皆さん、すみません。今は英語を話します。はい、皆さん、ありがとうございます。Welcome everybody for another round of lessons. I'm going to be doing the next 5 verbs here in Genki 2. Genki 2. This is on page 72 and 73, 5 verbs of short forms. I'm going to do the casual form verbs, and then that's it. So, 皆さん、勉強しましょう。よし。Alright. Verbs. So, just to recap, verbs. You drop the and replace it with a nai. So, our first word is uru, to sell. Uru. Uru. To sell. Uru. Uranai. 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 Urata. Oh, yeah. Uta. Uta. Was it uta or uta? Uta. Here it is, uta. And uranakata. Uranakata. Okay. Next. Orosu, to withdraw money. Orosu. Orosu. To withdraw money. Orosu. Orosanai. Orosanai. Yeah. Oroshinai. No. Oronai. Oranai. I don't think I'm getting what I'm supposed to be getting here. No, I was writing it right. Orosanai. Yeah, I was writing it right. I don't know why Microsoft Word's not giving it to me. Orosanai. Orosanai. It's not giving me my kanji for some reason. But I was right. It's not giving me this. There we go. 下ろした。下ろした。and おろさなかった。So it doesn't give me this kanji. For some reason, Microsoft Word never wants to give me the kanji I'm supposed to get. Kaku, to draw. Kaku, to draw. There you go. Kaku, to draw. Okay, kaku. Kakanai. Kakanai. Kakatta. Oh. It's not giving me my it's not giving me my kanji here. Now I know it's gotta be kakata. Kata. I am spelling it right. I know I am. Yeah. See. Kaita. Alright, it's kaita. That's why I wasn't finding it. Kaita. Kaita. So it's similar to write, since it's to draw. They both share the same word. Kanakata. As usual, it doesn't give me. It gives me the to write. It gives me the character for to write, but never gives me the character for to draw. Microsoft Word really confuses. Alright. Sagasu. Sagasu. To look for. There we go. To look for. Sagasu. Okay. Sagasanai. Sagasanai. There we go. Good. Yosh. Sagashita. There we are. Sagashita. Good. and 探なかった。探さなかった。There we go. 探さなかった。よし、that one worked. 誘う。誘う。To invite. Mm. 誘わない。誘わない。誘うした。誘った。誘った。There we go. 誘った。and 誘わなかった。よし。There we go. Woo. There we go. So again, let me know down in the comments if I got any verbs wrong. This week's verbs are uru, to sell, uranai, urata, uta, uranakata, orosu, to withdraw money, orosanai, oroshita, orasanakata, kaku, to draw, kakanai, kaita, kakanakata, sagasu, to look for, sagasanai, sagashita, sagasanakata, and sasol, to invite, sawanai, sasata, sasawanakata. There we go. So, よし。皆さん、どうぞコメント、like、サブスクライブをください。Thank you all very much. ありがとうございます。はい。皆さん、来週までお疲れ様でした。Good night. Buenas noches. おやすみなさい。